Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to prototype a filing vise. I will be using Fusion 360 to create the drawing and my Vyper 3D printer to print it out. The first thing I do is import a picture of the vise that I found on the internet. Next, we sketch the two halves of the vise using the picture as a template. The next process is the same as any other drawing. We press pull the two parts to the desired width. I draw the slot in the one side of the vise. Next, I draw the tongue on the other side of the vise. It looks good. Now it's time to join the two pieces together. Everything looks good. Let's send it off to Cura to slice it. We slice this like any other file. We're going to do 20% infill, no brim. We do have to add support where the slot is. Off to the 3D printer. This prototype worked out perfect. In the next series, I'm going to make this vise out of metal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.